My name is Stacy and I am from Taylor, South Carolina, and I actually teach fitness classes to seniors, and I am a wife and a mother and a grandmother. I am very new to YogaFaith. I'm very new to yoga in general. I have never been familiar with yoga because I had no idea that you could put yoga and Jesus together. I just thought it was as far from God as you could get. There was just a misunderstanding maybe that there was something there because everything I had seen was associated with, I don't know, mediums or cards or things like that. And I'm just telling you what I thought because I never attended one. So it wasn't like, oh, I went here and I actually experienced this. I just had this thought in my head of what I imagined it was like. The best part about training with YogaFaith is being around these wonderful people who share your faith, who encourage you and love on you and cheer you on. There just hasn't been a moment here that you have not been encouraged and uplifted, and it's just been wonderful. Like the people that I've met, the teachers, everything has just been so good. I thought I would make friends and I thought it would be fun and there would be relationships and you would, things like that, but it was greater and more wonderful than I even imagined. So I imagined it being amazing, and it was even more amazing than I thought.